Macaroni boat with some stew fish. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. So I add in my oil they are hot earlier, and now I add in my scallion, my onion, my pepper, and I dash in some thyme. I'm gonna make my oil infused with all of these delicious flavors, and then I add in my fish. Right pan time. Alright, I add in my fish. I cook 3 of them. So there are 3 fishes, and we're gonna allow each fish to be fried on each side. So I'm flipping this one because I want you, flip it and make it fry. So after they're fried, we're gonna then make our stew. We're gonna make our stew sauce. But before that, look on the fish them. Look how them look nice and body. Yeah, fry it up. So now we're making our stew sauce. Tomato, onion, garlic, sweet pepper, and thyme. We're going to cook that down a little bit. Then we're going to add in the stew sauce from a box and some ketchup. We're going to make that bubble up. Bubble, pata, bubble, bubble, pata, bubble. Then we're going to add in, we fish them right pan time again. We're going to cook it down again with some fish, and then we're going to add in with Excelsior crackers. Yes, this is how we do with steam fish in Jamaica. We make sure we're having with Excelsior crackers. Look on that, yo. Beat the crackers them. Beat them with the sauce. Beautiful brown stew fish with steamed crackers and fry yam. So please don't forget to check out our IG and shop on our different platforms.